Hello. Hello everyone. Hi. Can you hear me? Let me just check. Yeah, I think the sound is coming. Yeah. So let's start. So yeah, if anyone is there, so can you hear me properly? Okay, so let's start. So today is 20th of October, and yes, we had our expiry today, and yes. So the very first thing is that in the morning I here told that data suggests Bank Nifty will be more bearish than Nifty. Okay, when did I say that? And yes, and also like I clearly, okay, first let's start with yesterday's video. So clearly we analyzed that there were put buying. Okay, so since there was put buying, so that means the index has to stay low, so that they can close their put buying positions and then take the index up. Okay, so and also, as I every day tell you that yes, you just go and check what are the fresh positions that are getting formed. So the thing is, our indicator tracks everything, and here Nifty, as you can see, the scores are almost like slightly below the neutral level, but again coming back to the neutral level. Okay, so that's why in the very first phase, Nifty, though the scores were negative, but the bearishness in Nifty was not, very much. Okay, and that was also clear. Like as you can see that when it opened, like I told you that if there, since there was put buying, if there is a gap down, then you need to check where what are the new fresh positions. Don't go for put buying as soon as if there is a gap down. Okay, because if there is a gap down, huge gap down, they're already profitable with their put buying positions. Okay, so you have to be careful whether they are closing their put buying positions or they are taking the index further down to make more profitable trade. So the thing is that after this gap down, I clearly told you that for Nifty 17,440 is the crucial level. So it needs to be, if they needs to take the index down, they have to break this level. But you see 17,440, I already told you even this level yesterday morning I updated. You see Nifty just went around this level, and yeah, it came down till here 17,422, but again it pulled back and went up. So this level was the main deciding factor whether this is breaking or not. Okay, so above this level, again I told you the next level would be 17,525. okay, that would be the level, and you saw first attempt and then again second attempt, and at the third attempt it cleared it. Okay, but why it took three attempts, that also we are going to talk about. So yes, now the next thing is that, yeah, so okay, but here let's look at Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty scores, as you can see, the Bank Nifty scores here clearly, like from negative 23, negative 32, again it increased here in the meanwhile, but again came down here, and yes, so since it came down to negative 32, so there was a bearish sign, and yes, so again here you can very well see that the scores again came down, and here at yes, so here at 9:39, I think 9:39 AM, I told that Bank Nifty would be more bearish than Nifty, and yes, my views are all temporarily for just option buyers who just wants to grab the opportunity and just take the profit and get out. Okay, so if you come to Bank Nifty, you see that if you look at even 9:39, so just go to the 1 minute candle. If you just go and check where Bank Nifty was at 9:39. So why did I give the update at 9:39? You see that I clearly saw that the scores in Bank Nifty was decreasing. but in Nifty it wasn't decreasing that much. But in Nifty the reversal sign came exactly here. Very clearly it gave the reversal sign 948 to -2. So the score suddenly jumped and then it was all around in the positive zone. So very nice signal came here for Nifty that there was a reversal. But for Bank Nifty, yes, it was in the negatives, so deep negatives it went here. And 939 after even that, if you go and check Bank Nifty. So okay, let's go to the 1 minute chart and just see where it was. So this is during 12:44, a long way to go. Okay, so this is 9:49. Yeah. So yes, this is 9:33, 38, 39. So 9:39, 20th October. Okay, and after this, so where was Nifty? Sorry, Bank Nifty 39,991. So almost at 40,000, you can say. From 40,000, it dropped to 39,903. 100 points fall. It's good enough for an option buyer. Very well. I mean, it's totally like a nice move. So those who follow me, they know that during the intraday my views are totally like instantaneous. Okay, so let me just fix it. Yeah, so now I'll show you more. That is, if you even like see Bank Nifty throughout the day also. So here you can see that so the morning it gave 100 points. Okay, so it was well enough to get more than 10% ROI in one just option buying. Okay, then you see that though it went up, it came down, it further came down here again. Okay, and this level again was attained here at 2 p.m. So this is the 2 p.m. candle, you can very well see. So I mean 80% of the day it went went and touched that level, like it went below that. So that's why I told here that OI is in the morning OI is deceiving, because in Bank Nifty if you saw that on the put side the OI was increasing. So but that's why I told that the OI is deceiving, and I clearly told that Bank Nifty will be not looking much. Bank Nifty was not looking much bullish according to the data, and all these are in intraday view, just at that instantaneous thing. Like what we do, we are traders, intraday traders. We need the signal, we take the trade and we exit. Okay, so that's all we need. So after market hours sometimes I post the long term view or the next day view, but overall during the intraday, you know that those who follow me, I totally post the instantaneous view. So because why? Because the instantaneous views are hard to capture. Okay, because what is just going to happen next, that is very very tough. That is very very a tough decision to take, and it's a very risky thing. So anything can happen. Because why it's so risky? Because anything can happen. This is stock market. So any big player can just go against your direction, and that's the thing. So anything can happen, and that's why when we get the signal, just take the trade, exit. That's it. Okay. So yes, 100 points in Bank Nifty is well enough to give you more than 10%. I can very well say if you take, if you would have taken the at the money or in the money option put buying, then you would have got more than 20% ROI. Okay, just go and check. So yes, that's the thing. And so you can very well see Nifty clearly showed that put writing was being done. So all the day you see that like the scores were very very well, like they were showing the strength. And but Bank Nifty, you see, for a very long time it went negative. Okay, so now you can, after the day also you can see that yes, I mean the data was not lying, and yes, at the very end you see the Bank Nifty was gaining strength. And yes, so all these data are daily updated in the drive, so the link is in the Twitter, so you can just go and see. Okay, so yes, if you even come here and see, so you can, the red one is the score and the green one is the Nifty index. So you can very well see that there was a sharp increase in the score, and then again some weakness, and then again the score, I mean the score stayed above this zero level for the after this it never came down this below this zero level. Okay, so I mean strength was there. And Bank Nifty here, as you can see that I mean Bank Nifty almost below the zero level, but yes, so almost below the zero level and flat, but not showing strength. And that was what happened even in Bank Nifty. You can very well see that after 2 p.m. the up move came. Okay, but yes, we also got that signal. But Nifty, there was a very fine signal in the morning here from negative 30 to 2, and then the strength. So why? Because the put writing started at 17,000, huge put writing started at 17,400. Okay, so yes, now I always tell you that whenever the FIIs, they have done huge put buying, there are two things. They either take the market totally down, okay, down and again down to maximize their profits, or else they will take it down. They will try to close their put buying positions as much as possible, and then what they will do, the leftover which they can't, what they will do is they will try to cover those positions by huge put shorting. So that's, I have clearly told you over the period of time before also. So that's what they started. Huge put short started 17,400, 17,500, and yes, now there was call writers present at 17,500 also. But when here let me go. So at around this time 1:30, so when Nifty was being taken down here, so then I just clearly saw that at 17,500 on both the sides, if you see that the change in OI was almost the same, but the volume was double on the call side than on the put side. So it clearly indicated that exchange of hands were happening there. So the big players were just shifting their call short positions, I mean just exchanging their call short positions with other players, and yes, they were exiting their call short positions from there. And that's why after that this move came. So if you have anywhere the volume data, just go and check. I'm not trying anything, so just go and check. This observations you have to do. Okay, so why I do those observations, my indicators are giving the signal. Okay, so at around 1:30, if you see here, like here, so from 12:17 you see the scores are here gradually increasing. Okay, so from the single digit it went to 20s, 30s, then 40s. So here the thing was that 1305. Okay, so 1305 here 1305. So you see the candle is red. Okay, then further the index is moving down, but scores are increasing. So that's when you just go and check what is exactly happening, and you just get the point that yes, the put writing positions are the call writing positions at 17,500 are getting exchanged. If you visualize the option chain, if you just check the OI data, it's very deceiving. So you can't get a clear picture just by observing the OI data. That's what the fact I want to establish. Like for a very long period of time, I have told you, I have showed you with practical example, practical data, that visualizing OI doesn't help. Okay, so yes, that's the data for today and how it all went. And yes, 17,000. So yes, why these 3 attempts? Because they were just taking a long period of time to close those huge call short positions at 17,500 and nothing else. And after they did, and they maximized their positions at 17,000 put side, 17,500 put side. So then the final move came, And yes, and also this 17,525, this level was broken with volume. Okay, so cash data is even like if you go and check the cash data, yes, though DIIs sell, but FIs have bought a huge quantity. But let's so cash data is supporting this bullishness, and yes, until unless this again 17,525 is broken, so we can go for put writing. But I'll show you something more. So yes, the next level would be at 17,622 and then 17,846. Okay, so let's go to the end of the day data. So how to interpret your score? Okay, I'll hi Kadosh. If sorry if I'm spelling pronouncing your name incorrectly, but yes, I'll answer that after finishing up this analysis. And yes, so clearly we have seen in the past, that is this futures OI, long OI is getting built up. But suddenly, why today they have gone for huge future short? Okay, now note down that this future short is not in the current monthly expiry. Okay, so this is in the next monthly expiry. Okay, so yes, I mean during the day I have like tracked the positions. Even there were some positions that were done next to next monthly expiry. So overall we can very well say that these short positions are not for this monthly expiry. So that's why I wrote temporary bullishness can be achieved. But this data shows that the worst is not over yet. Okay, if the worst was over, then further decrease of positions would have happened in the future short. So this data clearly shows that the worst is not over yet. Okay, and what I feel is that this is a temporary, like this is something like the first bottomed out and then, or the second bottomed out, because previously also there was some bottoming out. But yes, this is one of the bottoming out. Okay, so there is further pain because left, because here, that is the future short positions are getting built up further. So if these future short positions have been built up, so on the cash, according to the cash data, even let's take that at the top they have made the future short positions, it's not at the top they have made. So during that up move, like during the midday they started building up these positions, the short positions. So even if I take that at the top they have made these short positions, so their average price would be at 17,550, let's suppose. Okay, so 17,550. So that clearly tells us that again the Nifty is going to come down. There is a high chance. Okay, always we should talk about probability, because this is stock market. Surely 100% nothing can be said. Okay, but yes, probability is very high that again the index would come below this level. But this is made in the next monthly expiry. So those who will just get bearish from tomorrow onwards, because looking at this data may not work, because it's in the next monthly expiry. So yes, this long position that has been built up, this is also in the next monthly expiry. Okay, so next monthly expiry they are initiating these futures positions. So they are not doing it in the current one. I don't know, because they feel that there is one holiday as well. The next expiry is 1 week ahead, and also there is a holiday, long weekend. So I don't think they are feeling comfortable with what's going to happen during such a short period of time, and that's why they are making these positions in the next monthly expiry. So that's for the futures. And yes, let's come to the option chain. So option chain, future short and long chain, put shorts and call short positions. You can't say exactly like which one you should give weightage to it, more weightage. So let's not speculate about it. And yes, let's come to the next thing, that is the put buying and the call buying. So the call buying data, so already the call buying positions that they made, so almost they have booked the profits there, and some of it is still left, but there is huge put short positions still now. So put short, sorry, my mistake, put buying position. So these put buying positions, these many put buying positions are not required to hedge these put short positions, but there is another angle to watch it, that is, you see that these futures long positions that are getting formed, okay, so they might be hedged with these futures short positions. So that is, sorry, all I'm saying is future short. So put buying positions. So the futures long positions that they are building for the past days, so for the past week, we can say that they are, I think, hedging them with these put long positions. Okay, so that's what I feel personally. But yes, again, the main thing is that we have to capture the fresh positions that will be formed tomorrow. So overall, like all we can say is that we if these put long positions are just for the hedging purpose for the futures long, then what can happen, that there will be a temporary bullishness, because these positions that they have formed, so they are going to, the corresponding action is going to take place. Okay, and but and also there is Diwali, there will be a very positive sentiment in the market. So the thing is that they have already taken one advantage of these positive sentiment, yesterday. Okay, so just a second. Yes, so they have already taken about this benefit of this positive sentiment yesterday by taking the market down. So let's see what they will be doing next. So it all depends on, we need further, so it's not very clear cut that futures is like, yes, you can very well say that temporarily bullish, but long period again it has to come down. But option data, again, because if these positions are for the hedging purpose, then option data is like flat, like you can't exactly say bullish or bearish or anything. So that's the thing. So all we can do is track the fresh positions tomorrow. So tomorrow, of course, they will be the big players will be going for short positions, positional short positions, option writing. So we have to just capture that and go for positional trade, and that's it. Okay, because the market is going to next open after Diwali, so on 25th, and 25th, and on 27th we'll have our expiry. So nice premium decay can be achieved. So let's go to the option chain. So let's go to the monthly expiry. So the thing is that I'll observe what's happening, but for now, if market stays above 17,525, it's a bullish signal. But again, when 17,622 this level comes, I'll be a little bit careful. And again, if this breaks, so it's a very nice signal that like we can stay in our course of put shorts. But yes, yes, the next thing I think, yeah. Yes, so in both, in this last move was like supported through volume in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is very clearly visible in the 5 minutes chart. And yes, I think I have cleared, I have said everything, I think. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, we were going into the option chain, sorry. Yes, if we go into the option chain, so let's see where there is opportunity. So if we want to take safe position, so I think 17,400 would be a nice one. More safe would be to go with 17,200 or 17,300. You see, like today also the OI change is very much positive, and also here you can very well see that these OIs like are supporting also the further up move. that is clearly being supported by this up move, so by these positions. So that's the thing. And also you can very well see here some in the money also positions are there. So yes, overall, like the main thing would be to go with put writing positions. And also let's look at once at XGX Nifty. So Nifty XGX Nifty is also at 17,555. So yes, so these are the things that we should be careful about. And yes, so the things are, yes, so the main again analysis is tomorrow we have to analyze the fresh short positions which are getting built up, and that's it. Okay, we will be going with that. So just stay on your course, like just at the beginning don't go for these positions, wait till the end of the day. Okay, you won't miss anything. Okay, again if they are creating new position, they would take the index, both side moves would come, and you would be finally confused. And at the end, if you take positions at the beginning, but at the end of the day pictures would be clearer. Okay, so wait till like 1 PM or 2 PM. Okay, and then, or if the picture is very clear before that also, just go for it. Okay, so that's it. So for now, again I am saying that yes, put shorts is looking everything is going for bullish. I mean everything is indicating bullishness, but again fresh positions are very important because option chain positions are almost nil. So can't say, option chain data is not supporting for us to conclude anything. Yes, so I think I'm done with all the analysis. If I missed any, just comment. I'll just say I'll just answer it. So yes, Skadosh, how to interpret your score in a 15-minute trading setup. So it's not about 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour or 5 minutes. So any like you see that anything like any time frame is good, whichever works for you. So if you see that on 5 minutes it's also good. So why the chart? The chart is simply for these levels and nothing else. So these the important levels that I tell you, and also this VWAP. Okay, so this is like I mean very important. You can very well see like in Nifty came down and again touched this. Yeah, touched this VWAP, went up, again came down, touched this VWAP and went up. So whenever like I'm taking any put, suppose I'm taking any put buying positions, then when it comes near around this level, I just simply close. I don't wait whether it will cross this level or not, because these levels, anything can happen. They suddenly start market suddenly start coming down or starts recovering from these levels. Even like let's go to Bank Nifty. You see the VWAP for Bank Nifty went up and again gave resistance, came down, went up. So these things, like again here you can see like EMA, so 20, 50, 100. So only these things, my charts are very simple. I don't, and the volume data and nothing else. So the chart is simply for these things, that when I'm taking any trade based on my indicators, then I should be careful. Okay, I shouldn't just simply like keep on waiting that for there will be further fall, there will be further fall, there will be further up move. No. So if there is some bumper ahead, so I will be very careful. Okay, so that's why the chart and nothing else. Even if I go to 15 minutes, I think yes, that also very well works. So yeah, even you see for 15 minutes if you do, so very that doesn't depend on the time frame. But again here you see that on 15 minutes again it came down, touched here and again went up. So yeah, so whatever works for you works for you. So it doesn't have to change. In these scores they update at an interval of 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, so these scores will tell you the direction of the market, the instantaneous direction of the market. Like here, just from -30 to 2, there is, you see that there is a sudden jump. you know that now you go and check the option chain, why this jump came. Okay, so option chain, you can't visualize the futures data. I go also check the futures data. Okay, and also for cash data, you can you very well have this chart, and you check the volume if there is like a sudden cash selling or cash buying is going on. So these are the things you should just go and check. But yes, so since the indicators captures everything, you just doesn't have to just check, you just know that yes, now Nifty is going to recover. So you go for, like, today was expiry, so you go with put writing positions, and that's it. So this scores always tells you that what is happening, what is going to instantaneously happen in the market. Is there strength in the index, is there weakness in the index, or the index is like in between this, like it's having a tug of war between the buying and the selling. So that means the scores are in the neutral zone, like from negative 15 to positive 15. So the three zones, like neutral zone, and then the strength and the weakness. Okay, so that's the overall thing. And yes, like how instantaneous these things works, I just showed you that 9:39 I gave this Twitter update that Bank Nifty will be bearish. Where did it go? Yes, here Bank Nifty data suggests. So I don't go with mujhe lagta hai everything. Data was suggesting Bank Nifty will be bearish, 9:39 instantaneous. So you see that here when negative 32, negative 6, 1, I was waiting like what is actually happening. Data was negative, again data jumped, but again further when data went negative. Okay, so here it was a very clear signal, like I went and saw the option chain data, futures data, and I saw that yes, I mean for Bank Nifty was further going to get negative. And 9:39 I gave the update. So 9:39 you can very well clearly see that like scores were decreasing in Bank Nifty, and you saw instantaneously there was a 100-point fall. Okay, so even if I would have went with this negative 32 score, then also I would have got more points. So whenever such a huge negative sign comes, so obviously some big players somewhere they did something, that's why that negative sign, huge negative sign, and the reaction will automatically come. And yes, I mean even if you see here like from 9:26 AM in Bank Nifty, so I mean you saw that from here it went down till here, so more than I mean almost 150 points fall. So yes, so that's the thing, like these indicators would just give you the thing, that is the view, the strength, what is exactly happening. Like if you're a trader, you would like open two screens. In one screen there will be 4 charts, IV, volume, OI data, then you have these premium data. Okay, and another one you will have these price actions, volume, and whatever you keep, I don't I'll not be knowing. So all these charts you see, and then you make a decision, right? But again, some charts would give you bullish sign, some would give you bearish sign. You would be after all confused. So if you combine all these things and overall what the strength is coming or weakness is coming, that will give you a clear direction. So and these data you can't like calculate, volume data, IV data, and all these things you can't like calculate through your brain and combine all this together and come to an output. Okay, so that's why these indicators are made, like you don't have to see anything. Okay, if you want to know why this happened, then you go to the back end and check what is exactly happening. Otherwise you know what the direction is and how market is going to behave. So that's the thing. And with some levels like this, you are very good to go. Like even like here, I mean suppose Nifty, even at here 17,440 the score heavily decreased, then also I would wait for this level to break. So the levels are very important. So I very well trust them. But suppose like here Bank Nifty is at the middle nowhere, scores are very well decreasing, and Bank Nifty is below VWAP. It's a very well good to go put buying opportunity. Okay, so I mean the charts helps in that manner, that where to take the trade, where not to take the trade, and how long to take the trade, or like how long, I mean once you are profitable like 7, 5%, 10%, good enough, you just close. Okay, or maybe sometimes you also, being lucky, you get 15 to 20% or more than that. But yes, the charts also helps you where to close, because the thing is that if you were like bearish at this level 17,525, it's coming down, you would have become cautious here when it touched this VWAP. So that's the thing why charts are there. Yes. Yes. So Skadosh, I think I showed you the example. Like these things are instantaneous, so just go for it and get your profits. And so especially the option buyers. Okay, option sellers, like you can stay at your position. So this morning weakness was there in Bank Nifty, more weakness, so going for call writing Bank Nifty would have like surely helped. Okay, and yes, after that when it gained strength you could have closed, and Nifty like 17,440 did not break, and after this scores were also like supporting the up move, so you go for put writing. So that's how the thing, I mean for call writers it can work, because once the levels are supporting and the scores are supporting, it's a good to go for the call writers, or sorry, the option writers. Less trading sessions left this month, that's why that's the thing, that's the reason. Krishna, hi. VWAP is change setting. I did not get the point. What Skadosh, what I meant was that should I check the score every 5 minutes while trading a 15-minute chart, or should I follow it 50? No, you should follow every score that are coming. You should follow all of them, because like here suddenly from, where did it go, from -30 it went to -2. Okay, so then at that moment you become, if you are bearish, you just close your trade, and you know that something some up move is going to come. Okay, and then you further wait, and you see that okay, strength is being achieved by the index, so I can now shift to put writing positions, and you shift to put writing positions or call buying positions if the scores are like sharply increasing. Okay, so that's how you should go. And yes, if there is a very high change like these, like change of sudden 20 points or suddenly 15 points increase, so then be careful. Okay, so then just be careful, like, because yes, the score is totally based on data, it's not like anything which is abruptly happening, so the move will come. Yes, there is need to change the setting. Which setting? I use VWAP, not work is as you. There is need to change setting of VWAP. Okay, so VWAP is not, if it's not working as like me, I am showing you my setting. Sorry. So that's it. Okay. So I mean, and this is investing.com, and there is nothing more to it. Okay, so that's the thing. So I mean it should work, like if it's VWAP, so you can very well see here. I mean that's also the line. If I close this, it's going away. If I open this, it's coming. So it's not anything other than that. So it should work for you also the same way. Got it. Okay, sir, you start subscription of monthly. So still not sure. Like I'll see if I get votes, some good number of votes that supporting. So then I'll start. Okay, and yes, so that's it for today. So I hope I have answered all your queries. I think futures price. Yeah. So yeah, there are 21 votes as of now. So yeah, out of that 19%, 81% is going for it. So okay, yeah, let's wait and we'll see. Okay, so then that's it for today. Okay, so I hope I have answered all your queries, and you have you have taken the advantage of my tweet. So if you want such tweets during the intraday, please do follow me on Twitter, and please do like the video. Like I gave you 2 updates, and both the updates were very important in the morning. That is even 3 updates, but 2 were very important. Like 17,440 was the important level. You just need to check whether it's breaking or not. Okay, and the second update was Bank Nifty would be bearish. Okay, more than Nifty. So I think that's a very nice update for a trader who is trading these 2 index on the expiry day. And yes, so I think the video deserves at least a like from you. So please do like it and share it with the traders who need such help. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely, and see you in the next one. Bye.